That was a great video to help us see how amazing creation is. All the beautiful images in that video that God created for us. And we're going to focus on the stars today, okay, which was about the midpoint in that video that we watched, okay? So let's go to the next page. After Jonah, after night and day, there's this page that looks like this. And this is called God Made the Stars. Okay, it looks just like that. And in here what it says is He determines the number of stars and calls them each by name. Okay, so what we're going to do here is trace the numbers on the stars. So we have a 1, a 2, so you're going to use your pencil, okay, then a 3, and a 4, and a 5. Here's a 6 for you to trace, and here's that 7, 8, and 9, and there's that 10. Okay, so there's 10 stars, okay, big stars and little stars. The big stars are on the outside, the little stars are on the inside. So then see how this line connects the 10 to the 1? So then what you're going to do is connect the 1 to the 2, okay, and then connect the 2 over here to the 3, and then the 3 needs to connect to the 4, and the 4 needs to connect to the 5, and you're going to connect that 5 to the 6. The 6 is going to connect to the 7. The 7 is going to connect to the 8. The 8 is going to connect to the 9, and the 9 is going to connect to the 10. And so when you're done, it looks like a big giant star right there, but we're not done, because the next direction says, color the large stars orange, okay? So the ones that are the biggest, and you can use markers or crayons to go ahead and color the large ones orange, okay? Go ahead and color those in. Start with that. Okay, so there's 1. Drawing a star shape is normally kind of hard, so it's kind of nice to just be able to color them and not have to draw them. Okay, so remember only the large ones, so 5 here is a large one, the number 1 and 3. So if you look, it's the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And we're going to be making a pattern here, so patterns are going to come into play in some other things that we do today. So patterns are things that repeat, okay? And if they don't repeat, then we call that random, okay? And scientists look at patterns. We look for patterns when we graph the weather throughout the year. That helps us see, like, kind of make predictions when we can understand patterns a little bit better when we're doing weather. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7, and then up here for number 9. That's another large star, so that gets to be orange. Okay, and I know I'm going a little bit fast, so if you need more time, just pause the video or just watch the video and then finish after the video is done running, okay? Okay, so there's my large stars colored orange. And then I need to find my yellow, because all the small stars, which are even colors today. So we have a pattern of odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, or A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. And that's an A again. Okay, so I'm going to do all of the small stars are going to be yellow. Okay. Okay. So I was talking to Alex during class the other day, and he was asking me, or maybe it was Hunter, asking me about the sun. And is the sun a planet? The sun is a star, okay? And just so you know, all the other stars that are in the that are in the universe, those are also suns for other solar systems. So there's lots and lots of solar systems where you have a sun in the middle and the planets going around it, just like we have in the ceiling of our classroom. Okay, so that's what this is going to look like when you finish coloring the two colors. So then you can use your highlighter to give yourself an exit ticket. And yeah, the stars are pretty amazing. I think everybody loves stars. And God created those for us, and aren't we lucky for that? Okay, let's go ahead and close this up and put this away when you're done. Put it back in your religion folder. We aren't going to work in our handwriting book today. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that lesson as much as I did, boys and girls.